Hello friends. Today we have a special review. We will take a look at this amazing, powerful lighter that promises to become your faithful assistant in any conditions. The lighter comes in a large red box. Let's go ahead and open it up to see what's inside. Inside the box, we're greeted by an instruction manual placed right at the top. Let's take a close look at what it says and how to use this powerful lighter. Also included in the box is a silica gel packet to reduce moisture. And here is the lighter itself in a polyethylene bag. Let's take a closer look at it. The lighter body is made of metal and painted white, with plastic overlays decorated with a print of skulls and flags. At the top, we see a large nozzle. And at the bottom, a gas refilling valve and flame adjustment control. Let's go ahead and refill the lighter with gas and try to ignite it. All right, let's do the first ignition. Now, let's try adjusting the flame intensity. Look at that flame, it's really massive. This lighter has a lock function that allows you to press and lock the button, making it very convenient as you don't need to keep your finger on it. Let's try using it to ignite something. Wow, it's very powerful. That's insane. It's burning through a soda can like paper. Here is the conclusion of our review of this amazing, powerful lighter. As you've seen, it can handle even the toughest tasks and will become an indispensable helper in everyday life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new reviews and experiments.